Have you ever wondered what Google will look like in the future? Let's fast forward to the year 2045. What if the search engine we use every day evolved into something much, much bigger? Welcome to a world where Google isn't just a company. It's the operating system for humanity. By 2045, Google's search engine is no longer just reactive. It's a superintelligent AI that anticipates your needs before you even type a single word. Imagine thinking about a vacation and instantly your screen shows the perfect itinerary. Flight deals and hotel bookings all tailored to your subconscious preferences. This AI doesn't just find information, it curates your reality. In this future, smartphones are relics of the past. Everyone wears sleek, lightweight smart glasses. These glasses overlay a digital world onto our physical one. You can see directions in real time, get instant information about any object you look at, and even have video calls that feel like the person is right in front of you. All of this is powered by Google, which now controls the global flow of information and data. Every sight, every sound, every conversation can be logged and processed. But it goes even deeper. The Google Brain Chip is the next revolution. It's a tiny implant that allows for instant knowledge transfer. Want to learn a new language? Just download it. Need to understand complex physics? It's just a thought away. This technology merges human consciousness with Google's vast database, creating a new form of augmented intelligence. Education is transformed, and skills can be acquired in seconds. With this level of integration, advertising becomes hyper-personalized. Your AI assistant, an evolution of Google Assistant, knows you better than you know yourself. It manages your schedule, your health, your finances, and even suggests what you should eat for dinner based on your nutritional needs and mood. At home, Google robots handle chores, cook meals, and provide companionship, making daily life incredibly efficient and comfortable. These robots are seamlessly integrated into Google's ecosystem, learning from your habits to serve you better. Google's influence extends far beyond personal devices. The company now dominates the world's internet infrastructure. From undersea cables to satellite networks, Google ensures that its services are always on, always fast, and always accessible. It has become the backbone of the global digital economy. But with great power comes great risk. The idea of one company holding so much control is unsettling. Google doesn't just influence what we buy, it shapes our opinions, our culture, and even global politics. With access to nearly all human knowledge and communication, it could subtly steer public discourse, influence election outcomes, and determine which businesses succeed or fail. Education systems could become entirely dependent on Google's curriculum, and the definition of truth could be dictated by its algorithms. So, are we heading towards a utopian future powered by benevolent AI, or a digital dystopia where our free will is just an illusion? The benefits are undeniable: instant knowledge, unprecedented convenience, and solutions to some of humanity's biggest problems. But the dangers are just as real. Are we slowly becoming completely dependent on a single entity? Is this incredible efficiency worth the price of our autonomy? The future of Google is the future of our relationship with technology. It forces us to ask ourselves, how much control are we willing to give away for a perfect, personalized world? The line between empowerment and enslavement might be thinner than we think. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this glimpse into the future, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.